Hi, this is news. Mima Obibia Akwaba. Ahadie latest and hot news and I'm a Bremo. Anuti so we subscribe or more than say over subscribe to the channel. The way I say over click the subscribe button. Now what barely notification where there's a new video be uploaded. Or the first person I was sabeka video. After give us a thumbs up. My thumbs up. Nafi. Share my offer for us. No, you be here since I had the latest and hot news and I'm a Bremo. I feel you share a year and someone up at all your post. Inti a year, some Kumoya airport, some up to the Inti.
Secretary to the President, Nana Asante Bediatuo is sick and some Ghanaians wish him dead. Gabby, otchere, darko reacts. Yes, say a year, Nana Asante Bediatuo eyare na Ghana fo bi ebo se na de ne ha eye yankasa ye wofa Gabby otchere darko o se aden ere ni hwere ni mo no sofo
ahofe me da se bebre de woman say on say yade de
sofo answer na obeko me pese ye show ni video no
me pacho yo
na wait me Agyapadie
na wo say wo man no ese yen sase no enne bi dina ha hwe oyi we ekuta me say oyi ni we say obi bia wo ye MP a wonim galamsey hu bi me kese wo egbomen eno me yen kan fro kon kan obi bia wo ye minister na galamsey wonim hu bi stroke enkan wani fra yen kan semra so obi bia wo ye wo hene na galamsey yesi yenya
sofo video e wa
pacho yenta for me
eti empire na wo we asori dem
pacho an
okay into one di engine so no di just the boss empire
say un say yaka ho asem kan ma ene wo hwe ayi a shama hwe metiwe menya akoda maami ahofe me age 50 years manyi me ho na efe me ba Ghana ha ye wo me ba ye no me hu epo a wa change aye de ye hu ye da ya tumpanifo ifo atu a ahemfo ni bi kan wasofo ni bi won we kekeka ho eti se do ba bi ni etufo a na se on fa nya adwuma that ye wo mu an se kesin ka ho that kesin ba wo ye wo hene wo ye sofo wo ye MP wo ye minister wo ye panin na galamsey no so nya ya na wutu na wonye musika mami sa sika no nyame ma wo yale bone nyame ma wo nyale enya kidney problem
na no bible
fasika no ekoto nuno dabi awurade Deuteronomy 28 ya kan ho awurade nyankopon kura ka kire Israelfo se de wontie masama no me de yedambo ene yade ene yanifra me de beto onso Deuteronomy 28 eti se wo se wunyai ala no na abaya sika na ebefuru mu aba no na awurade am wanya cancer na awurade am wanya yade a eni yaduro na awurade ama ube ma no aya off ube ma ne working cause kaneba de wo mu aso de be fe ma arewe nkoda na ube ma ne ko off enti we na wo boy no eye mesof kum chacha me na me ye
enti ubo mpaye no BBC
na BBC obi dem obeba beka empanifo wo kurom wa microphone bebre
for boss suspect say mpaye na ubo ye
ai on bomb suspect say there
no na ama eye Asante Bediatuo yare na
the woman say kayade kura de ka wo fe kayemfa yade ensre nipa say de na make ban na the woman say opani na ubo ni din no yan no ya soda form kromu wa yan mpanifo di nkomo ne nkrofo kasa ya wo bi owi ase a maami ahofe sa wo yale a na anase wo wu a ni wu a wawu ni kora no obi tumi kasa onwu nsan wu biem sa wati se twi ni da onwu enwu biem nyame na atua ne ka onwu na wonwu biem eti na wi ase ya wono mebu samo kan
news on YouTube hot news all time
me pacho yenko wa so for yenko
okay
yenko
ninti embisa omoko na obisa no ebi
me bisa no me pacho yenko
na we say you na host mani me say
so for yenko
eti on say the woman say mebu samo kan Proverbs 22 say good name is better than riches so what I say na obi wo no ma wa yale a oman ni mu nipa nyina ne amansa ni mu nipa nyina atumi ka so ewrade sane yade ewrade je no ewrade sane yade ya papa onabu Kennedy Agyapong me de ne example
okay
tama okọ US a yete se wa yale na asofuo bebre ni enkrofo bebre ni adofo bebre ana bompa yama ya papa onabu Kennedy Agyapong adentia okuta akoma fita okuta akoma pa wodidi nso o menkrofo bi di twa eti obi wo no yale a yamfa papa to se Kwame despite ni nua ofolice upon doctor wo nyina ni mpanifo bi okurum a sabe o yale a obia be fasting and praise abompa ya aman what I say but papa ya wo bo ni din no papa yi Asante
Bediatuo
one kasa eden nsam na ye kan fa no
menim senti na mi bisa
ensam a public ne kan fa no nyina ye negative ana won a ewo Jubilee House wo nyina dodo ana won a ewo MPP party ne nyina no ensam a won kan fa papa ne nyina no ensam ne nyina ye negative enumre ikura mpo enumre opani bi frame so called Jubilee House odu one no say court o she papa ni court sa oba hwehwe o man pani o she ni court hwe na na say o say court e yan fa ma Jubilee House
papa na yare ne ka che
sa
wow
papa na yare ne ka che asofo u ka se mi edu pasa na so onyanko da ne woda
oh say onyanko da ne woda say ya kana wo ho but onyanko da ne woda na ye kana amaka no ya di tu ya wonfo ye nyina we na ya futuo ene ya di tutu ya wonfo
wabo ho mpa yo ntie futuo bi ani baby kro no ade ne pempo na abo ho mpa ena wo se obi bia oye saade no o mubungu ho wonya stroke wonyare e be ma nwodo enti asem na wo ka no ena bibisa esi wo Jubilee House ena gabi ochidako ekase edi ani hate no ti mi bisa wo se won paye na wo boye no enu na ama na esi ana e kwa mpese mi
enu su na me su mi pese me catch o se me se de wo ye gala ni bi no eti so ye bi dia
gala
se de menim
okay
sa wo ye bi dia me se de wo ye
okay won paye na
thank you ana me paye bona me paye bona me boye no ma mo bi adin what ma say me se wo ye sofo wo ye minister wo ye MP wo ye han that's how wo ye bi dia eni ye nyankopon enye osa eti se wo bi ye bi na nyame adom na se nyame adom wa ye ne sa eni o we ye bi nyina akora no efiri na akodu December ewrade mo crash articulator
so for you so for pay bompa e man na nyame nsa ne yare
me mompa e owen
o so wo bo no ayare sade wo bo ya TV so e betumi aye adwuma
da bi mo nkofa ne mra na ska bebrebe no me bompa e wi a wabo ho afode sabe nya kwase asa
so for obi yare no oba ho ba afode
da bi o nyame dwuma nyi ska ne ye de ye ba bompa ya mawo amenyame adomo ho atowa etu bo afode na ayeden
sesi a owo US utumi bompaye Yesu no bompaye na nipa asori de wawu asori enti ubetumi abompaye aman
me mompaye man
emano
onfa ye be mi a won yi me telephone number no on frɛ me na me mompaye wo phone so man
but I had you utumi bo
dabi o mini apa asem na ye ka no galamsey no etimit ye de wo mu an say nipa wo wa edimpa and you good any idea because when you dimpa na we yale a obi a ene nyame na atu aleka ene say ene sama won wa ho no keka no sama abobom panifo bebre din e de aye emfanton any idea Etu ono ankasa nso no onhwe ne ho yie na gala ne de me so obi a wotu bibia wase yensuo no de obekom no ende ya de kase pa me dase
Zia
yes politics
yeah Empress Nana Asante Bediatuo na say Bediatuo Asante in fact I make na me nimi say oyare na me tie da say oyare but Gabby otchere darko the reaction no or Facebook is a Twitter now ka say hate or can be say I say hatred is too much
or tiny
is too much na ho na twa madwene here say ene ma me kwohwehwe ade ankofo kafa no in fact it wasn't palatable at all
kafa Gabby
message no both Gabby and Nana Asante Bediatuo say ya say obi a oyare na obi ti baby betimi awhye say nipa de say won hwe ne nkwa abra sabi ebi a unim no onya wo boni bia unim boni bia wadi say today ye ba ne afro ka cho say kwakire boni a wadi a ebi a wudi be able to point one then to create a problem for you dey make kwa say ya ade bia yesu nipa bi o wa aban bia ni mu ahi nipa bi o ye nurse bia no ya ka to enkofo trim say nurse for ya hantai nti obi ko hospital kwa na yes officially trimiti nurse ni ya ade kitua bia no ashase but you see
hot news all time
Gabby otchere darko asem na woka say hatred in the dosu what time no e dosu na time will tell. I think say there's something that they have to do me minim say sa obu group no Gabby otchere darko na Asante Bediatuo na Fredu Agyeman emo no say na enkofo empe o masem dada ba de ba ko e sa be share sa de no mo kenapa ya Agyapadie book no
okay
Jamaica what say the Agyapadie book that came and no be share sa otan no mo kena so and Agyapadie book no me wo bi ebi wo me phone so kra me nyame de 2020 Bida. Minyame dia 2020. Na 2020 no, baby na book ni si no. I have realized that as a afibia no ebi bebe ka ho. So it looks like say you obi na cleverly obi ashada and one monitor system na watcho it could be like that. It could be obi or president bi and yes ade no. It could be obi NPP bi na no opportunity bi and yes ade no. It could also be say yes ankofo na ye suspect say obotu Agyapadie book no omo na try but how they handled the issue me I did not like it and no ka hu bi ana am otana kodoso dedi kan book ni buy what I was expecting actually ni kan me the action people especially omo you suspected say omo the true book no they should have investigating you say the book.
okay
The other time I mean a security expert be kasa. In fact, I don't want to mention their names. The part 3. Now me hear consultations. And they told me say it is easy. Forget about where the source is coming from. Even if the source is bent, they will be able to trace if we bring experts. Foreign assistants, they will be able to trace and find out who did the book. They can investigate it. Jamaican what I say. So what I'm saying is as a senka investigating this book. Because some book no Agyapadie book no the future of people of Achim. You know why? Because in the future, so be Achim bad no so case be president. People will refer them. Say
book.
Most maybe I am be president. This is what you wrote. A book na no correct. It will block their future possibilities. So they need to investigate it. Say if they can go to moon, they will get an expert to start investigating a Agyapadie book. They have to forget about the 2 months. And yet 2 months say even you are not in power, you can still do it. It can take them 1 year. It can take them 6 months. It can take them the week. Bring expert to do it because and some now where Agyapadie book no. Akofa or time be brave at the ama omo. For example, ababa ba kubu e madam for pa your friend Francisca Otin Mensa Dr. Kwaku Annan Bagel one deputy minister for gender and you say come say sanitation no one Kwabri East member of parliament. What kind of book now?
You are watching Juicy News
on
YouTube.
Me kind book no 2020.
That's how you are watching Juicy News on YouTube.
But 2023, 2024 by. That's how when you capture the Abeka book no. Say a year obi na updating I don't know. That's what I'm saying that it calls for investigation. Now listen. Almost say, oh, say girl ne papa boy campaign pa. Enti ne papa no so ya Alanchamatin agenda. Eti ye befa kwa bi so ni abra ne papa na adwuma na se tieni yo ye be bra ne papa na adwuma na se ni ye baba ga na be ye minister ti ne papa ni hu akire ni ye make sure say John Body no chairman wu ntumi mo e be ka bom no o makotu ga no e wo obelu so ne primaries e wo ne constituency ne be ye obefi ho. Now listen to me, it could be a sheer coincidence ga ne be ye minister Dr. Kwaku Annan ne adonko no ana oyenubu said the license was revoked at a point. Remember that story? That's one. And two, Ghana, the whole Ghana vote on your MPP no. Okay, it is even closer to a region, a full region. Vote on your new patriotic party, one constituency, a new OT region votes in a Western North vote in IIP. But she was deprived of development. That development in Koso, I want a constituency. Remember another down Akufo Addo koye interview bi Kumasi. And on beside say Kwabre for say, omo na to back say Palma MPP for. But Oma Kwanye into also on to the tia. Then the president said that I almost to be the own to me threatening. Okay, that's story no. Good. So Sadianan Eshe Oze, yeah, Sadi no we no. Gani decided say so be depriving the development their own cobium, uncontested. And again, uncontested. The moment again, castle uncontested, and near the caterpillar, I could see a year to make it. Yeah, straight up, yeah. So this thing, so why investigate here? It makes suspicion automatically fall on you. That's what I'm saying, that they need to investigate this book. It could be coincidence. Say, Ebio Obina baby, and all try to just to suit his narration. Situation is suit in the narration. Jamaican watch I say. As a so me investigating because book no ma. It looks like ni pa bebre na so. How the better? As a so me investigating the future of people of Achim. Sadachi obi ba be president. Young Koko Fasa book no fan refer and say, Monananom, ya more opportunity to rule this country. This is what they were trying to do. This and this was say it has a security implication because a whole family. Because this is what you mind there. Very serious. So media, if they can break experts from all over to investigate this Agyapadie book once and for all, don't sit on Facebook. Don't sit on Twitter. Now, what respond to and Kofu Agyapadie book no? Investigate it. Move for national security. NIB. Move more. Your friend say, you from the foreign experts. Let them investigate the Agyapadie book. Yes, baby, they are capable of doing it.
Into Agyapadie book ni kahuntina.
Oh yes. Me say I contribute. Me say yes. Many part no more.
It's naka nkofo pe omo asem. But because
I'm not saying say nkofo pe omo asem. I'm saying say obi a oti aban mu bia no. Ana semi, ana no hu ahi. Wo sacha akroma enye ne fe. So, but oman krom hu yie, especially the Agyapadie book there by no. Asaba be she sa tiny mu kena. It looks like nkofo bi pese omo enrechi omo de Ghana enrechi omo so de bi cho and na make say book no yenim se fu omo se enfu omo so bi na sha da atro so position bi na atro whatever we don't know. They have come to deny say eno omo na tro, and for me sa response na by say no omo na tro, it is not enough. They have to go further by way of investigating the book. And I make so many experts do come. They have told me say the Agyapadie book no so you investigate here. They are capable of finding the source. Baby a shot said free, they'll be able to know it. So they have to investigate it.
Boom.
Okay, to start with, Owu, any bad thing. Death is good. You know, because we share death, that's where we are all going. It's the final destination. So when you're bad, sir, not to say me person. I mean, I've met him a couple of times. He's a fine gentleman. And to me, I wish him speedy recovery.
Okay.
You know, but one of the things I want to say is, Nise, you know, your crow ena oman penibi. I mean, obi our government. You see, you're rushing from Kumasi, Abakra. Now you need to have a plane. Now you need to call Germany. And who are so someone who kind as reference say.
John Koma.
Say uka say yen leaders are omu rule sisiano. Omu abon microphone ti ase. Now, Ujun say who you be at who you won. Imagine say Kumasi no one. KNUS teaching hospital. Well equipped. Na kan ni betina kan mu. Efi Accra, Efi Kumasi Abakra. Excuse me to say, and I'm in person me car in Crawford. Yeah, but you see, say, it's sad. Now, yeah, can say, yeah, brother, no so over US.
Oh, US.
Thank you.
So, koye chuma.
Okay, we are flying in Bra no benya healing. So better to have
I said, yeah, didn't hear emergency surgery in a BIA also. So it's different.
They say they were stable. They are flying, but no continue on healing. Say your hospitals were agenda 101 hospitals. You finding bread, you finding bread, we finding bread 37.
Boom.
Why are you laughing so hard?
You see, I'm trying to say something. You see, who drink say who ye Mami nche obi a bibi won. Ebia wo area won. Wo pe na wo fie aye nice. Glass bibia. Wo twa kwan ni mu a na ho nyina ye basabasa. E de biba. Nkrofo na e wo kwan na echi. If you don't share your riches with them, they will share their poverty with you. Nyankopon Jimmy wa shishe bibia. And that is why I say one Ghana, we are highly blessed. The land is fertile, but the brain is barren. The most important natural resource are, I say, your gold, your diamond, your bibia. The most important resource of all, sense and sensibility. Yenibi, yen leaders omuti susisia omunibi.
This is a hate in a kofao.
Yes, because Hátred won't say MCA Kasano. Or can be say, how did we get here? We got here by people like Bawumia flying to London to go and get health care.
His Excellency.
Please, Charlie, please. And the person sitting in Labadi, the person sitting at Owusu, Kolegono, Adabraka, Owusu cannot afford that when they are paying taxes. That's how come we got here. What did they make Anna say? People, look, I am glad we are here as a nation, no matter how it is. After this era, Ghana will change. I'm telling you. Because the rot in this 7.5 years are you, and the disregard for human life, Ghana will never be the same again. Ghana will never be the same again. And I sit here to say, me, I don't know how His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Nyankopon Yadom no ba power. How
His Excellency.
Yes, how he can reverse what is happening. Mpacho me kasa.
But it is not wrong to call former president a president.
Okay.
Yeah, no, it is not wrong at all.
Sitting president.
Correcting and say what you say, but it is never wrong to call a former president a president.
Oh. As I said, I mean, economist. I don't see how. Petrol 60 cedis. Yeah. Nyankopon Yadum, His Excellency John Dramani, or maybe media 40 and not 30 cedis. I don't see that. I'm telling you honestly. How? Now, I don't mind. Say Oba. Metuya full worker 120 cedis for a gallon. I don't mind.
Wow.
Yes, I'm telling you, twice the cost is so Oba no two muko 120 120 cedis. Baby. Now, the baby in one say in Kwafono me disikano. Yeni omu ni na te ha. Omu ye cool. Minti asiye. I swear to you. Uti demi kana say. Say bottle way 10 cedis this year. So Oba no di 20 cedis. Mi bunfu. Sana nyoma kwako nyama ekosu no problem. But when the omu ye na ade no call 10 cedis no. Oma fa Ghana skedi no. So omu come if they are all with us.
Are you saying that you are supposed to jail them?
Exactly.
They won't do it. You and I know they won't do it.
Listen.
No,
trust me. So I'm saying. You see what you just said. No, I think your sister we can be. We need to speak and substantiate what we say. So if you are saying, say, somebody in the former government stole money, then they need to be prosecuted now. Yeah. Let me tell you one thing. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama should not be walking around this year if he was a corrupt president. Because the Constitution allows for every president, say, ufi powers you have 3 years. They can't bring any case onto you. There's some sort of whatever. The 4th year, so say Mahama, His Excellency, or corrupt, and like I say, you shouldn't be walking around campaigning. So I'm expecting, say, Onusuba power. Yeah?
Obey this.
Yes, the 4th year of his time.
It's hate in the baby.
You see, we have gotten here because, and I don't know why Gabby is amazed.
In this sense, you amazed.
No.
Obi wish you be dead. My cousin.
Listen,
my best friend.
Let me tell you something. Nana Akufo Addo.
President Nana Akufo Addo.
His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. I can't say me carefully. He died before us. One baby a yefi ba no. Onu wu ansa. Yen ye wuye. Inti na onu ba ha first yen wu no. And o wa be Danny president. No, I'm telling you something. Okay. Father Dixon, owu ansa yen ye wu. Inti na na o yen boss no wo yen. What am I saying? I'm saying, say death is nothing. Obi, if somebody prays for death for you, you should be thankful because that is where we are going. Do you know what you should be praying against? A painful death. A painful death. This is saying all komusisia or yari or bread, Debbie.
And their own.
Debbie. Now who has said BBI edin?
Okay.
What is the mechanism? Who want to tax? Who will be on from say lights bill? You're gone. So death no ankasa no ushu. Yen sisa dream what death and yet bad thing. Mpaibo na pastor boy no is the most dangerous mpaibo bia ye di betumi abo so say stroke in chill. Now crowd tip out 3 minutes the say na feeling. Uti pie with 3 minutes. Say now feeling. So death in here bibia and not to say ye person Yankupon shene so na yen fanu bra Ghana no be healing. Sana meka. But hatred ni there. Omo an omo kwa kofa sa hatred na ba. So he should not act surprised, say, Ghanaians are wishing death on somebody. Because he knows, say, the current state of affairs, and yet the omu betuye. Baby, omu dia feel, please, should we start saying the rot? Should we start mentioning them? Yenim. Obi akan galamsey, yeah.
So who wishing a speedy recovery?
Yes, up until now, mpacho COVID, that been a call here, and I was hostel.
For craba.
Okay, but COVID ankasa na buy no.
Enkoye.
There be say back no call and this 2020 any 2021 2022 na so try. Me no ka say yetua COVID tax. Na say enye etremodin a. Eye den. Say enye etremodin a. Busa say eyi utu kwan those times. Ubedu eyi okotoka ubetu $150.
Send ni your way.
Yes.
Pandemic.
Sasika no won fa. Uko bisa say sasika na omuji ma man na wo hin. It will amaze you who is behind this. That's how.
Uni nipa word.
O me nimpa.
Self come chacha.
Mame.
Intim patro mpa bo na obo no. I'm saying amen to it.
Yo, it is for waiting and someone about beto yapon so we are subscribe to channel here or more than say over subscribe to the channel no. Now feel so or like the video give us a thumbs up. Now feel share my offer first no maybe here Asante latest and hot news on Amede Bremo. I feel so also betting otchere what we have fire at some way now comment box in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.